Hello and welcome to Q Rangers. My name is James and I'm joined with my good friend, Qbot.
Hello everyone.
We are so excited to be teaching you today. Come on, let's go. Follow us to the classroom. I am really excited for today's lesson because we will be making a ring.
Like a ring you wear on your fingers?
Yep, we will actually be able to wear it.
Oh, well, that's cool. Let's get started.
To begin, we will drag out the basic ring shape. Hit D on the keyboard to drop it onto the workplane. Now, this ring is already about the finger size we need, so no need to adjust the size on that.
But, James, the ring looks too thin, like it will break.
Oh, yeah, you're right, Qbot. Let's change the thickness. To do this, first click on the gear setting here and click on the box for snap. This will keep the proportions the same for the ring. Then we just need to click on this right square here and drag it out to about here.
When do we add the engraving?
Well, actually, Qbot, we can start that now. First, we need to add a plate for the text to go onto. To do this, we need a box. Drag the box to the workplane and hit D.
Whoa, this box looks too big.
Yeah, you're right. Let's make it thinner. Let's change the view first. Now click this box here and drag it to make it thinner. Just make sure that the plate is inside the ring but still doesn't show on the inside. And also make sure that the ring doesn't show on the outside. Okay, great.
Well, now it's too tall.
The next thing we will do is shrink it down. Let's look at it from the back to check that. Let's double check that everything is lined up. Select both shapes and click on the Align tool and click this center circle.
Everything looks good.
Okay, it's time to bring out the text and hit D. Let's change this text to say happy in all capital letters. We need to view it from this side. We're going to flip it sideways by clicking here and rotating it by 90 degrees. Hit D again to put it onto the workplane.
Oh, nice. So next we need to shrink it down, right?
That's right. And to do this, click this box here and drag. And do this to the other side as well, until it fits on the plate.
It fits on the plate on the sides, but it looks too thick.
No problem. We can drag it down with this box here. Now adjust it to what you think looks good. I think this looks great. To make sure it is aligned, we will select all of the shapes and click on the Align tool. Then click on this circle here. Okay, perfect. We now have our ring.
Wow, the customizations for the ring are endless. Remember, you can always change the colors and text to whatever you want. Go ahead and use the skills you learned to make all the rings you can imagine.
Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you again next time.
Don't forget to practice at home.
Bye-bye.